Hi, this is the HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. And now we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you could make it by the same way, or just you could click here to this plus icon and to select another apps. Just tap then to OK and that's it. To rename the folder, tap once on the name and enter the new one, for example, the apps. Also, if you wanna move this folder on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag it. To remove the application from here, you should hold and drag it to the home screen if you wanna stay with this app on the home screen. But if you wanna remove it, just a couple of apps in one click, you should just tap to this plus icon and unselect them. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.